pretty nothing, but this is one of our favourite crops. This is our saffron, and this sort of weird tufty stuff you can see growing here are the bulbs putting their leaves up. I came out and had a look at the saffron bulbs last night, and it was pretty obvious that we were going to get some flowers this morning, and I must say I'm a bit stunned. We've got an amazing cluster of bulbs here. There's actually 5 flowers coming out of this one set of bulbs, and you can just see the orange filaments coming out of the slowly opening flowers. So what I'm going to do is just quickly take off the anti-neighbour's cat mesh. The cat's been in here digging up our bulbs, and I'll be picking those flowers, and the scent is beautiful. It's a bit tricky to see, but this little fleshy bit coming up in the middle, that's a new flower spike coming up, and I'm seeing a few of those on the bulb, so I'll be expecting that maybe tomorrow that might be developed. The flowers just come up so quickly. When we checked last night, we thought there were going to be 4 or 5. Certainly wasn't expecting the 12 that we got in the end. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, they're all there. They just shriveled down to nothing. They've just been drying in the oven for a few minutes. This is what I like about growing in this garden, is growing things that are not easy to come by, that we really like and use. And honestly, if you haven't tried the actual real fresh saffron, you're in for a treat.